In this video I am going to discuss about how can we make a sentence negative from affirmative. But before starting my video I want to request you to subscribe my channel to get the next video on English grammar topics. I have written here 3 sentences. He has been playing Ludo since morning. He will have done the work by 4 p.m. and they could have finished their duty. In these 3 sentences, we notice a thing, that is, we find double auxiliaries. In every sentence, we find double auxiliaries. Then, if we find double auxiliaries in a sentence, then how can we make those sentences negative, or how can we turn those sentences into negative? It is very simple. If we find double auxiliaries or double helping verb in a sentence, then we have to add only not just after the first auxiliaries of the sentence. That is, he has not been. We only add not just after the first auxiliary, that is just after has. We add has. We add not just after has, and the remaining parts of the sentence will remain same. The second sentence also will be like this: we will not have done the work by 4 p.m. The third sentence we can do like the above 2 sentences, that is, they could not have finished their duty. What have we done here? He has been playing Ludo since morning. We just add not just after the has of this sentence before the second auxiliary. In the second sentence, we will have done the work by 4 p.m. To make this sentence negative, we only add not just after the first auxiliary, just after the first auxiliary of the sentence, and remaining parts of the sentence is in the same position. In the third sentence also, they could have finished their duty. We only add not just after the first auxiliary, that is after could not have finished their duty. Like this, we can turn the affirmative sentences of double auxiliaries into negative sentence. There are many sentences in which order, request, or advice we find, that is, those sentences are called imperative sentence. How can we transfer an imperative sentence into negative? I am going to write very simple sentence of imperative: do the work, go there, come here. Like this. Please sing a song. Please sing a song. These are imperative sentence. And in imperative sentence, if we want to turn imperative sentence into negative, then we have to add do not just before the verb of the sentence. That is, do not do. Do not do the work. In the second sentence, do not or don't go there. The third sentence come here will be don't come here. And the fourth sentence, please sing a song. In this sentence, request is made. So, don't sing a song. We shall give a comma, then please will go in the last position. Don't sing a song, please. Don't sing a song, please. I am going to write another sentence of imperative. Please help him. Please help him. The verb of the sentence is help, and him is the object, and before that there is please. And if we want to turn this sentence into negative, then we have to add don't. Don't help him, comma, please. Don't help him, please. Like this, all the sentence which indicates request we can turn into negative. In advice also, obey your friends, obey, don't obey your parents. Don't obey your parents. Like advice we can do like this. There are some sentences which we find to turn into, which we find difficult to turn into negative. Those are interrogative sentence. There is a question in our mind, how can we turn a interrogative sentence into interro-negative sentence? That is, I am going to write an interrogative sentence. Do you give him a pen? It is a interrogative sentence and we have to make it interro-negative. Interro-negative. Did, another sentence, did he help the girl? Did he help the girl? Another sentence, is he going to school? Is he going to school? Or has he? Like this interrogative sentence, there may be many sentences like this. If we find this type of interrogative sentence, then to make these sentences interro-negative, we have only to add not just after the subject of the sentence. That is, do you not give him a pen? Do you not give him a pen? That is, if we turn it into assertive sentence or affirmative sentence, if we want to turn it into assertive sentence, then it will be, you do not give him a pen. It will turn into assertive sentence. Just we replace do in front of the sentence and make it negative. Like this sentence, did, in the second sentence, did he not help the girl? In the third sentence, is he not going to school? Is he not going to school? Or we can add just not with the auxiliaries of the verb. That is, the given sentence is, do you give him a fan? If we add not just with do, then it will be an interrogative sentence. Don't you give him a pen? Don't you give him a pen? And in the fourth sentence, isn't he going to school? Isn't he going to school? That is, if we add not with to the auxiliary of the given sentence, then also it makes negative. That is, it turns into negative.